prepared to be alone. Be prepared to be scared. Be prepared to be lost. Be prepared to be in situations for which you don't have answers. That's natural. It is going to happen. हर चौराहे पे कंफ्यूजन आएगा कि रास्ता कौन सा लेना। और ऐसा हो सकता है कि जिंदगी के हर चौराहे पर रुकना पड़ेगा पूछने के लिए कि बॉस कहाँ जाना है। 2 बार पूछना पड़ेगा शायद। That is what everybody has to do. हम सबको ये करना पड़ेगा। दोबारा उस रास्ते पर जाते समय रुकना नहीं पड़ेगा, पर पहली बार तो जरूर रुकना पड़ेगा। तो तुम्हारी जिंदगी के लिए जो तुम निर्णय ले रहे हो वो तुम पहली बार ले रहे हो, तो तुम्हारा रुकना जरूरी है, तुम्हारा कंफ्यूज होना जरूरी है, तुम्हारा फ्रस्ट्रेटेड होना जरूरी है। इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ द प्रोसेस and you have to be happy in that. You have to understand that, oh, if I am confused, it means I am making progress. Do not give too much importance to marks, because marks are decided by other people. Have that much guts to be able to understand that as a person, the marks are only reflecting one part of your personality. The marks are not reflecting your entire personality. What you are as a human, the paper is not about humanities. The paper is about engineering. So in the field of engineering, this is what you come across as. But maybe as a human you are different. So rather than when you want to improve your engineering score, not only have you to work on this part of the whole process, as a human you need to support yourself, buck up. Okay, yes, no problem. I'm still fine. I need to work on certain things. Be willing to work on them. Be willing to fight it out. Try things out. Be willing to sit alone. Be willing to spend time. As I said, time is everything.